Before we hit the top 8, make sure to subscribe. We dig deep into real-world reliability data to save you thousands in future repairs. Because let's be honest, the e-bike reliability crisis is getting worse, not better. Ride 1 Up Prodigy V2. The Prodigy V2 proves reliability doesn't need hype. Using a Bros mid-drive motor and Gates belt drive, it's built for smooth, silent, and maintenance-free performance. After 2 years of testing, 0 complaints. At $2,395, you're paying for peace of mind and proven dependability. Ride 1 Up Roadster V3. Lightweight, minimalist, and ultra-reliable. The Roadster V3 weighs only 39 pounds and runs a carbon belt drive that practically never needs maintenance. Simple design, fewer failure points, and UL certification make this one of the best value commuters at $1,295. Ride 1 Up Portola. Folding bikes are often fragile, but not the Portola. With hydraulic brakes, UL certified electronics, and a 750W motor, it's small but mighty. The folding design also protects it from theft and weather damage, dramatically extending its lifespan. At $1,095, it's a long-term win for city riders. Aventon Level 3. The Aventon Level 3 solves the #1 e-bike killer, water damage. Its IPX6 waterproof rating shields electronics through all seasons. Smooth torque sensors, strong hydraulic brakes, and a 2-year warranty make it a commuter's dream. At $1,799, it's one of the most durable year-round rides on the market. Aventon Solterra 2. Lightweight, affordable, and backed by an unbeatable lifetime frame warranty. The Solterra 2 feels like a traditional bike, just with more power and less effort. After 1,900 miles in 8 months, owners report 0 major issues. At $999, it's proof that reliability doesn't have to be expensive. Lectric Expedition 2.0. The Lectric Expedition 2.0 is a cargo workhorse that's earned a cult following for its reliability. Handles 450 pounds of payload, with optional dual batteries pushing up to 170 miles of range. Its overbuilt frame and 750W motor are designed for years of heavy-duty use. At $1,399, it's easily one of the toughest bikes on the road. Lectric XP 4.0. Finally, at number 1, the Lectric XP 4.0, the people's champ. Folding, fat tire, UL certified, and bulletproof. Its upgraded frame, torque sensor, and hydraulic brakes make it stronger, safer, and smoother than ever. Owners report 300+ miles on previous models without issues. At $999, nothing comes close to its blend of value, performance, and proven durability. This is what a reliable e-bike looks like: smart design, fair price, and real-world trust.